Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to recover old WhatsApp account without SIM. So let's start. It's very easy to do it. So only you have to have your phone on any device. If you have it, you can recover your WhatsApp account. So just start using WhatsApp and then you have to recover your WhatsApp account without any problem. So only write your phone number and then your verification code that WhatsApp send you, and you can recover it without any problem. Even your device doesn't have a SIM. For example, let's see my device. Let's go to settings, and if you check here, I will scroll down and let's go to SIM cards and mobile networks. If you see here, I don't have SIM card on my device. However, I can use WhatsApp, as you can see here. So that is how you can do it. So it's only need to have the phone on any device and you can start using WhatsApp without any problem. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.